Welcome back. In today's video, you're getting the full studio session with model Elisa from Frost. 5 completely different setups, all shot live. We started with soft beauty portraits in lingerie, clean light, elegant and feminine. Then we moved into the black lace setup. Same model, completely different energy, dark, moody, black and white. After that, we did a classical studio boudoir series, dramatic light with backdrop, very focused on the portrait. Then we took it to the bed, boudoir shots with soft, natural style light, very intimate and calm. And we finished with LED lights, colorful, creative, still keeping that sensual lingerie vibe. 5 setups, 1 session, let's go into it. And if you didn't subscribe, do it now and be on our next live stream.
We are now here in the live stream, and YouTube is now also running. YouTube is sometimes a little bit difficult. Twitch is there better, but no problem. We also run now on YouTube. And everyone say hello. Marcus, hello. Nice to see you again. Avishai, oh, that's, I don't can read this.
Oui, c'est bon, ça marche sur YouTube. Ah, ok.
Perfect. So we have the beautiful model Elisa from Frost today in our studio. We had this morning a group workshop, and now we make some awesome beauty portraits, I would say. You are good in the mood? We start? Yeah, perfect, nice. Then you can go in front of the lights, and we do shortly together the setup, guys. You don't need shoes. It's not cold. Yeah. So we have a 2 flash setup. That's one of my beauty setups I like to use. Yeah, and there is one rule. You have 2 flashes, and the flash above should always be double powered than the flash under. So that means we go on 2.0 on the flash ahead and then 1.0 on the flash down. And yeah, perfect. Then we start. I make the first test image. 1 second. Perfect. You can go a little bit there. Nice. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks already not bad. So this is one of our setups. I have to go a little bit back with both lights. That's too close to our model. So then, of course, we look that everything is on the same height. Yeah, something like this. Perfect. And then we make a next test shot. So 1, 2, 3. Cool, cool, cool. Like with this flash, we have to go a little bit more down, and then we are in a good way. You like it? Yeah. 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 Hmm. No.
I have my face, so it doesn't matter.
No, the light. We're talking about the light. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. That's good. Let it check. Yeah. With the flash above, we can go a little bit higher. So we do a next test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's better. That's better. So we change now to 35mm lens, and then we go further. It will be a replay, yes. We will make a replay, and you can follow on YouTube, and then you will see the replay on YouTube. So 1 more test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Whoa, that's great. 2, 3, nice. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, really cool. Nice. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's cool. 1, 2, 3. Really good. Really good. Nice. Great. Stay like that. Do the same again. Can you do the same again? 1, 2, 3. Really good. Nice. Nice. And now we do some this format. Right. Oh, wait 1 second. So 1, 2, 3. Great. 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 Nice. Nice. And 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Angle in the right mood. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 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 Really good. Oh yeah, that's great. Great, great. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's cool. Stay. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Really cool. Nice. Love it. Love it. Maybe you can play with this a bit and also, yeah, just play a little bit with the outfit. So 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's cool. Maybe I go portrait mode with this. Wait shortly, I change the lens. Maybe we go really portrait mode with this. I like it. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah, what do you think? You see it? It's better like this, or?
Yeah.
Yeah? Perfect. Nice. Good, then we go on. Nice, nice, nice. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Great. Nice. 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 Can you do this again with the belly? That was really great. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Nice.
Wow.
Yes, some expressions. Cool. Great, great, great. Great. Really cool. Oh yeah, I love when you look like this. This is perfect. Like the last one. Look. This can we do this again? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. Give me 1 second. We're a bit too shiny here. Yeah, and again. And 1, 2, yeah, perfect. Nice. 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 Oh, look at your cheekbones and everything. This is so cool. Wow. Love it.
Yes.
Guys, you want to know how you make this stunning black and white pictures? Then look to us. First of all, we have here a sun bouncer. And over the sun bouncer, we have a flash with a softbox who flash against the ceiling, reflect down, and then we have really soft light, a white backdrop, a beautiful model, not more you need. We shoot with 50 millimeters f-stop 2.0, ISO 100 and 160 shutter speed. Go a little bit backwards on this. Yes, perfect. That's nice. And I show you shortly what kind of beautiful black and white images we can do. Nice. Perfect. 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 Really cool. Nice. Really cool. And come a bit forward on this mark. If you want a little bit more contrast, then just move the model a little bit forward, and then you get images like this. 1, 2, 3. Great, great, great. Nice, nice. Again, can you do this again? Was great. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Thank you. Yeah, cool. Really nice. Perfect. I want to know how you make great images like this with angel wings, a lovely lighting backdrop, and a perfect light in the face. Then watch. We have here sunbound. So we have a flash who is directed to the ceiling, and we have a really bright light. And with this bright light and the black lingerie and the black hairs and the amazing model, we make this kind of stunning pictures. So we shoot with a 50mm, 160 shutter speed, f-stop 2.0, ISO 100, and Elisa, show us what you can. 1, 2, 3. Crazy good. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Nice. Nice. Open up a little bit. Open up. Yeah, perfect. And 1, 2, 3. Great. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Can you turn a bit sideways? Yeah, perfect. Like this. Perfect. Really good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. Thank you, Elisa, for these amazing photos. Follow her on Instagram, follow us, be on the next live stream. Bye bye. So, stunning. You made it.
Yeah.
You want to do pictures like this, simply explained. We are here in the studio and we have just one flash in the back with a beauty dish who flash against the ceiling and the walls. And this is a one flash setup. We have 160 shutter speed, f-stop 2.0, ISO 100, and a beautiful Elisa. Can you make a pose and we do some pictures? Really great. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Great. Look to me. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, that's cool. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 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 Perfect. And we work with this here. So and you can take one of these flowers. Can take one of these flowers. Great. Nice. 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 Amazing. I just changed the lens shortly. Oh, I love it. Nice. Stay like this. Don't move. Nice. 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 Whoa. Yeah. Wait. No, you have to look between.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. 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 Oh yeah, give me exactly this. Yeah. Nice. 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 Perfect. Give me 1 second and then we have it. I'm happy. Chat is also happy. So, again. And together, yeah. No, you look straight to, yeah, perfect. Like this. Like this. Nice. 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 Wait a second. Yeah, perfect. Stay like this. Nice. Nice. Okay, and then one sunglasses and then we have it. The same with this. Oh. Whoa!
I like it.
And now again with sunglasses and then I'm happy, okay? Perfect. One, two, three. Nice. 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 Oh, that's great, great, stunning. Keep. Really cool. Nice. Love it. Thank you, Elisa. Stunning images. Really, really cool. Come to me. Say goodbye to the chat.
Goodbye.